Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to explain customer follow-up levels and how to set them up. This feature is mainly used by the credit control department. First, go to the accounting module. Then, navigate to configuration and under invoicing, select follow-up levels. Here, you can see predefined follow-up levels such as 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, 50 days, and 60 days. If you want to create a new follow-up level, click on New. Otherwise, you can open an existing one to edit. For example, the 15-day reminder is triggered 15 days after the due date. Under Actions, you can configure different types of reminders such as email, WhatsApp, SMS, or letter. You can also set up an email template for payment reminders, enable automatic sending, attach invoices, add followers, so notifications are also sent to them. Additionally, you can link activities and schedule them based on different activity types. In simple terms, when a customer has an outstanding payment, the system can automatically trigger reminders at defined intervals, like 15 days, 30 days, and so on, using the configured communication methods. Now, on the reporting side, go to Partner Ledger under Reports. There, you will find follow-up reports, which display data based on the configured follow-up levels. Also, if you open an individual customer record, under the Accounting tab, you can see the follow-up status and reminders. These details are directly linked to the configurations we set earlier. So, to summarize, follow-up levels are configured in the Configuration section. Reports can be viewed in the Partner Ledger. Individual customer follow-up details are available within each customer record. Thank you.